How to change your chart type in Trading 212 application. Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're trying to switch your chart look while trading on Trading 212, here's how you do it. First of all, open the Trading 212 application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on any stock, ETF, or crypto you want to analyze from the watch list. And once you do that, you'll see it on the right corner. You'll see a small chart in it. Go ahead and tap on this little gear icon underneath the chart. And inside chart setting, you'll see the chart type. You'll see options such as line and candles. Tap the one you want to use. Once selected, the chart will instantly update to your new style. You will see the chart over here changed. The line charts are simple price movement over time, whereas the candlestick chart gives you detailed price action, which is best for trading decisions. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.